Défense. Bravo, bravo. Pas de défense, mais défense. Défense. Jaboul, jaboul. Jaboul. I told you, RJ.
I just got way too excited for that.
That's how you do it. Hey, Bear, number 1.
2 hours later.
Jonah loves socializing. Jonah, why are you so social? Oh, we're sorry.
Why you gotta be so social?
Yeah, Jonah, why you gotta be so social? Jonah, why you gotta be so social?
Huh?
Why you gotta be so social?
I don't know. People just come.
Lemonade?
It is a
Lemonade. Lemonade.
I had to.
I feel you. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so creepy.
Jeff, your head's in the way.
Good, Jeff. Move your head.
It's prettier now.
Is that a way of saying he's got a big? No, I like the back better.
Ooh,
Wow, we must have a beautiful back of a head then.
I'm just kidding. I love you, Jeff.
I know. It doesn't.
I know.
You sound like Jacob.
I need to stop hanging out with him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. We all do.
We really all do.
We all need to stop hanging out with Jacob.
Yeah, you hear that, Jacob? We're shunning you.
You look so tan right now. Like in my camera, you look orange. He looks orange. Doesn't he look orange? Jeff, did you get a spray pan? Spray pan.
Excuse me?
Did you get a spray pan?
Excuse me, sir. No comprende.
I said, did you get a spray tan?
No, you said, did you
Because in this camera, it looks like you did.
You said, did you get a spray pan?
Yeah, spray pan. Did you get a spray pan?
Did you get spray pans, Dan?
Yeah.
Spray pan.
Are you tanner than Sammy right now?
Like 7 times.
I-24, even got.
You guys are doing? It took 6 of us yesterday.
What, to lift those things?
So bad.
No way.
I didn't think it was that bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a giant speaker right
The
there.
sound system was that bad?
On a bike.
Oh.
Please look at Jeff.
What a legend.
He's like.
Loki, trying to get it.
4 bars? Here, let me get a test.
Hold it up, hold it up.
I need to go see if my camera has 4 bars. Yeah, it is a good spot.
I beat you, Jeff.
It wouldn't surprise me. Hey.
I've got
Hey. How's it going?
Yeah, come out. We're gonna say it together. The cute couple.
I got a picture. I know.
Down.
And then
Dan Jacob's in the way.
Jacob, move your butt.
As Joey was
I got a picture of you guys. A couple got off the bus. Just to take off the sweater. She got off the bus and met her at the motorcycle.
Got it.
Guys, your parents
This message makes any sense by Connor.
And Dan. Legend. Legends Media. Connor, you have to do it again now. Where are you going? We have to do it again. We have to do it again. We didn't film it. Come on. Connor, what did you do to Jess?
You broke her.
Oh.
You know my back hurts. I don't
That's
know.
why I didn't jump on it.
Well, you go like this. So what was I
So it goes
supposed
like
to?
this. Bang! Right to my liver that I already lacerated.
Well, it was a defense mechanism. Like, oh, let me just elbow
She
Jess.
lacerated her liver.
I realized that after I hit her. But in the time, it was a defense mechanism.
Guys, this is such great content. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, check this out for content.
Oh.
Sorry, I don't beat women. Just kidding.
Life lesson, don't beat women.
Ready, please?
Will was looking for Rocket. Will was looking for
Rocket life. Rocket life. So, when there's fireworks, you know what Dan, Jonah, and Jacob do, right?
Oh, jeez. When in Haiti.
You know what happens when...
Or at Sophia's house, apparently.
Yeah, or at Sophia's house. So, you know, when there's fireworks, you know what Dan, Jacob, and Jonah do?
Run through them because you're dumb.
Yeah. Jonah! There are fireworks tonight.
Yes.
You know what that means?
Oh gosh. You don't mean. Do you mean?
Do I mean... Oh! Wow! Wow! Oh my God! That was big! Happy 4th of July! 4th of July! Jonah!
Dan, should I go between?
I don't think we can jump over those ones.
Hey, yeah. Oh, you right. Hey, should I like go between Jacob's legs and just pick him up?
Jacob? Yeah, go.
Wait, you think I can? Should I go on my shoulder? Or like...
No, go for it. Go! I'm filming.
On my shoulder?
Yeah. Oh, Canada!
It's not your holiday.
Crap.
You can sing that on Canada Day all you want.
That was July 1st, actually.
You missed it.
Guys, Abby's vlogging that right now. What is this, Abby? What is this?
Vlogception.
We can be vlog buddies.
Don't film stupid stuff.
Yeah, don't film your friends jumping over fireworks.
I think it's funny. Pretending.
That's so stupid.
Don't film. Yeah, who would do that? Who would film their friends jumping over fireworks?
Don't film Joey.
Yeah, don't film Joey.
Period.
Yeah, don't film something stupid, so don't film Joey. Got it. Our team right now is in a shootout. If red makes this, we go into another shootout, but if red misses this, then green wins, and we're with green teams. So.
Yeah, we are.
Somebody misses now. Or they didn't do 5.
Yeah! Oh, they made it? They made it? Oh. Man, they keep on making it, man. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Oh my gosh, we have to make this now, Connor.
If the green team makes it, they are the champions.
Yeah!
Who's shooting for us?
Angela.
Go press. Aja.
Hey, Conway.
Step back, step back. Yeah! Let's go! Alright, we're good. Yeah, we're good. You're not?
So hot. Hey, Jesus.
Sweaty Jesus. Here he is.
He's much more sweaty than I am. Kind of gross. Really nasty.
So tired.
Wiggy, wiggy.
And Jesus is closer.
Okay, so Sammy's claiming to be Jesus.
Wow.
You're supposed to be a youth pastor,
I would
Sammy. I
say-
thought you were humble.
My God, we met Jesus here in Haiti.
Yeah,
Yeah, we did.
We've all met Jesus.
we are in Haiti.
Sammy.
You're right, Sammy.
See that?
I'm gonna go wash my hands. My hands are never been
How does it work, Dan? What?
What are you trying to do?
There I am. I want to look at the screen, but like, oh, Brittany, get up there. Excuse me.
I feel like I'm taking a shower right now, so the sweat.
Good job. The shuffle has been broken. The shuffle!
This is where the lemonade comes in.
Look, right here.
Do you see the lemonade? Lemonade's right there. It's in the middle.
I have love for my heart every time.
Yeah.
It's so simple. And then you just tighten it by pulling the thing.
Excuse me. Root for Jesus. Hello.
This is a video.
Oh, whatever. It's already sweaty. It's like 8 in the morning. Ew.
Yeah.
Told me this morning after my run.
Bro, you went in a run in Haiti.
Gonna take a nap.
Yeah, I want to see pictures.
There's some cool sunrise pictures, guys.
Sunrise.
So if you're wondering what happened just there, Will asked Lily to be his girlfriend, so that's kind of cool. And so I couldn't stand up and do that whole tunnel thing because I just got a cut on my foot. Yeah.
I'm not discoverable. Let me turn off my phone and turn it back on. I don't know.
No, why does it do that? Go ahead.
I'm not showing up on anybody's phone.
Here, do you want to try mine?
Yeah, I'm restarting.
Meg's iPhone.
She got them already.
Yeah,
Anna G.
Just keep the dollar, we'll give her $1.
I tried.
I mean, just give her $1.
Well, okay. Jacob, what the heck did you do?
The screen, I have no.
No, not yet, not yet.
She made me do it. She's all hurt.
You look like a little pump, bro.
I feel so sick. Where's my hat? What?
Can I feel it? Oh.
Ew.
Yeah, please.
No, you're so,
So nice to meet you.
No mod.
Why is he standing on the bench?
Yeah, this is a video, you know that, right? And it's always the video, and he thinks it's the photo.
At this point, it's just like a photo opportunity. You don't even care. I'm not even care. It's just a photo opportunity.
Alright guys, so right now, it is the night before we leave to go to the airport to head back to America. And so, I guess, today, the Prime Minister announced that there's a new there's a new gas price rise. And so, there's gonna be lots of riots tomorrow, I guess. And there's already been riots today. And so, we're not sure, since there's so many riots going on in the area. Hey, shut up. And so the reason why we're kind of nervous right now is because since there's so many riots, they might cancel our flight just because people can't get to the airport on time. So right now we're like just getting ready. What time is it?
It's like 10:30.
It's like 10:30 right now, and we have to wake up at like 3:15 tomorrow and leave at 4 to go to the airport. And our flight's at like 3 p.m. though, that's the funny thing. So hopefully it all works out. Why am I so blurry? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Focus.
Yeah, just let me know. So then, what they said was,
There. Oh no.
what they're concerned about is this.
It won't focus on me.
He actually signed the bill this afternoon.
It literally just won't focus on me.
They usually stop.
Whatever. Well, anyways, we will see you tomorrow morning and see what will happen with this whole thing. Worst case scenario, we spend another day here in Nepali. So, who knows? Next time on Danos Productions.
So y'all are getting to be some of our first. Definitely happened before. No, it's happened.
Yes. So today is Saturday, July 7th. As of right now, we were supposed to be at Port-au-Prince Airport getting ready to leave to go home.
Assuming we can get to the airport on Monday, that's the plan. And weather.
I've never been happier to be stuck in Haiti.
I'm just worried about our. This video is gonna make you go viral.
Guys,
Yeah, you're gonna be famous.
we're being transported. I'm not saying evacuated. We're being transported. We're being transported from Nepali, my life speaks Haiti, to Port-au-Prince Airport.